about here. This is where his hair bit is gonna start. We're gonna go up like this, and then we're gonna come down like that and make it all zigzaggy like. There we go. Isn't that nice? Just like this. And then we're gonna bring it on in like that. That's looking nice. And now what we're gonna do from here is little bits coming off like this, because when you're in the jungle, your hair gets all funny like. There we go. A little ragged there like this. Looking good. That's a nice hair bit like this. And then we can draw his neck right about there, just like that. A little ear just like this, with a bit in the middle there, looking very, very nice. And then we can bring his hair up like that, just like that. Looking good, everyone. Now let's bring his nose down, just like this. He's got a pointy nose, George does, just like this, and a funny lip coming out like that. Let's give him a big old smile right on up to his ear bit there. Looking nice. And then bring it on back down like this where his jaw will meet. And give him a square one. Nice square jaw. And bring it on up like that. Right up to his ear. Give him some teeth. And a straight line across. Mark him in like that. That's fun. And now we'll give George some eyes. So let's do this right about here. And the other one will be right about there. Give him some big old round eyes like this. And another one here like that. Right, that looks good. And now we can give him some eyebrows right there. This is looking nice, everybody. Now let's give him some pupils. Round bits here. Just like that. A bit of a highlight here. And black bits in the middle. That looks nice. George is a funny looking guy. And we'll bring him down now to his neck. Right like that. And a big old round chest. There we go. George is a strong fellow. Just like this. And we'll give him a neck bit here like that. Because he is a strong guy with some strong shoulders. Right like that. You need strong shoulders when you're in the jungle. Elbow here. Bring his arm over like this. The forearm up like that. Some biceps. Very nice. And finish his shoulder off there. Now give him some chest bits here and here. Looking nice. And we'll continue his back around here. That's nice. Now what we can do is give him some hands right here like this. Bring the fingers up like that. Curl them around. Looking nice. 4 fingers for George here. Bit of a palm there. Looking nice. As if he's got his hands on his shoulders. Hands on his hips, I should say. Now let's bring his other shoulder here like this. Bring it on down like that with his arm. There we go. Looking nice. Forearm here like this. Bring his bicep on up like that. And then we can make his wrist like this. Curl it around like that for his fingers. Finish it off there. All right, everybody. Let's give him a waist bit here right about there. And we can continue his waist here and here. And then what we're gonna do is bring his slinglet down, just like this. Like that. Very nice, everybody. This is looking good. George of the Jungle. Make the little patterns now on his slinglet, just like this. Give it all leafy-like bits here, just like that. Very nice, everybody. Continue the patterns around. Looking good. Now we can draw his skinny little legs. George has skinny little legs, just like this. Knobby knees. And another leg off like that, just like this. Bring one here, his calf here. Bring his other leg down here like this with his calf there. He's got flat kind of looking feet, just like this. And then we can do the same over here like this. Very good. Now we'll draw a big old toe here like that. And George has 4 toes. And 4. Give him a nail, just for fun. We like to do that kind of thing. Let's bring his other leg or his other toe here, just like this. There's his nail on his big toe, and we'll give him 3 more toes to make 4. There we go. It's George. George of the jungle. Let's get to the color. George has light skin color, a light brown slinglet, brown hair and brown pattern on a slinglet, blue eyes. Thanks, everyone.